says it's helpful when I help. This book was my favorite. It's about airplanes. Hi, Mommy. Look at that. I love you, airplane. Can I please ride the airplane just once? Please? Yay! Woohoo! I'm flying! Woohoo! Airplane. I love you, airplane. It's true. I am helpful when I help. Okay. Bye, airplane ride. I'll miss you. I'll always remember you, airplane. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Let's be bunnies. Roy, what do bunnies say? Oh, yeah. Hop, 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 hop. Hop. I love you, airplane. I do love horsey rides. I love horsies. Almost as much as... airplanes. Giddy up, horsey! This way! Now this way! Yee-haw! That way, horsey! Uh-oh, faster! Whoa, horsey! Just one more ride, pretty please. But I don't want to do errands. I want to ride the airplane. I love the airplane. I really, really do. Uh-oh, monster meltdown. I know you're upset, Snugs, but it's gonna be okay. Uh-huh. Thanks, Esme. But I still want to ride the airplane. My very own airplane? That sounds fun! And it's fun when things are fun. Air Snugs? My name is Snugs. Mommy! We played airplane and we finished everything on the list. Yeah! Yes! Bye, Esme. Bye, Roy.